name's Dr. Centeno, and I'd like to get into what it's like to be an international patient for the PICL procedure at Centeno Schultz Clinic. Basically, we recommend that you come in 1 or 2 days beforehand, depending on whether or not you require imaging here, something like a digital motion x-ray. And then the day of the procedure, you'll come in for a hands-on exam that takes about 40 minutes. That's in addition to the telemed that you have already had at that point. And then we'll pick out injection targets. We'll talk about risks and benefits of doing certain parts and pieces, etc. Then from there, you'll get a bone marrow aspiration in the clinic. You'll be fully asleep with an IV for that. That's to extract the stem cell containing bone marrow aspirate. That's then processed in our state-of-the-art clean room lab, where we pull out 2 different stem cell fractions. Then you come back in the afternoon for the PICL procedure. You will again be fully asleep for that. We'll put in a 3D printed mouthpiece. We will use endoscopy to visualize the sterile field at the back of the throat. We use 2-axis X-ray guidance, 1 AP and 1 lateral. We then stereotactically place the needles, make sure we're in the right spot with contrast, inject either bone marrow aspirate, PRP, or other things. And then when we're done with that procedure, you'll be put into recovery. That'll take about an hour. Then you'll be sent home. And for the most part, we're done at that time period. Now, every once in a while, a patient will need to come in the next day to be followed up on. And if that's the case, then great, maybe that happens in 1 in 5 to 1 in 10 patients. But we do want that option. So that means that heading back would be done a little bit later, right? We want you to have 1 or 2 days here. If you might have a hard time traveling, you might even want to spend 2 or 3 or 4 days here, and then you head back home. So that's the process. If you're an international patient for a PICL procedure at Centeno Schultz, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.